Okay, what we're looking at on this call is a possibly a failed pressure switch. So the system immediately just blows cold air when you turn it on. So I'm going to check the reading coming out of the inducer motor port. It's a 1/2 inch pressure switch, so this motor needs to be pulling at least 0.5 to make this pressure switch close. If it is, and this pressure switch isn't closing or opening, maybe it's stuck open, then we would have a failed pressure switch. If I did another test in which I maybe jump out these wires here to the pressure that go to the pressure switch. Turn it on here. I'm pulling 0.9 inches vacuum from the inducer motor, so I have a good draw coming from it. So now if I bypass the pressure switch, keeping the lines open for a second, and then once I start it up, I'll go ahead and close the switch by jumping it across. And if everything starts up after that, then we know we got a bad pressure switch. Let's see what we get. There's the control board engaging. Hot surface igniter starts up. Flame ignites. Lower motor from there, so I'm going to go ahead and replace this pressure switch and move on to our next call. Okay, well, apparently on this whereas I thought I had 0.9 inches, so I knew I had a vacuum. I tried to put in a universal pressure switch, and the system did not respond. However, when I jump the two wires again together, everything starts up fine. So I actually went to go back, and I got an OEM pressure switch, thinking there was something wrong with the universal. So I went back and got the OEM pressure switch, hooked it all up, still not working. So back to basics, okay? So here you want to make sure, okay, let's visually check. Maybe let's stick a, maybe you would clean the inducer port with a wire, like a thermostat wire or something, because sometimes moisture gets clogged up in there and calcium builds up over time. So got the little port down here, and just in trying to clean it out, I just cannot get anything in there to try and clear that out. And when I put my tube on there and try to blow through there, I can't get anything through there. So obviously that's why pressure switch is stuck. So I'm going to take this inducer assembly off, see if I can clean it from the inside out, see what happens then. Okay. Clearly that's a lot. You can't see it, but where that port is, a on the outside. On the inside, it's really rusted up, and it's just. I'm gonna have to see if I can clean that out. So fun times. Okay, now let's see. Bam! Worked that time. Bada bing. Alright. That up and going. Well, that was screwy. But we pushed and got through it. That's good. Yeah, so that was a pretty interesting call. Kind of a tricky call, but we got it. Successful. I can go home happy. Because when I don't fix problems, I stew over it all night long. So, alright, well, that was that for that call. The old inducer motor clogged call. Okay, guys. Well, thanks for watching this video, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, alright? Thanks for watching.